I think the David and Goliath story is nothing new. But what is happening is there are 4 or 5 global mega trends that's happening in my view, and therefore it is now becoming all the more in the face. At the first one, I think people spoke about it, which is technology disruptions, and all of us know what technology disruption has done. Okay, today Nikon is not the biggest camera company in the world; it is the mobile companies, okay, which is the biggest camera companies in the world. So technology disruptions is one mega trend. Second, for example, is the demographic shifts. Okay, India is going to be younger as we move forward. By 2020, we'll be a very young population, average age of 29. I was reading some statistics a few days back. You talk about millennials and you talk about the Gen Z, and 50% of that population is going to reside in India and China by 2020. So how do you really manage that young population? How do you understand that consumer? Because that consumer is a very, very different consumer. It's not like the traditional consumer, where you used to go and do focus group interviews. You used to understand that consumer. This consumer does not go to the shops. He's not available in the kiranas. So how do you hunt him and how do you understand his aspirations? It's going to be a very, very big challenge. Third is the rate of urbanization that's happening in India. That itself, is going to play a very, very important role. And therefore, becoming hyper-localized in terms of understanding your consumer is going to become even more important. 100 smart cities is a matter of time. Okay, so it's not going to be the traditional 6 metro kind of research and understanding and then basing India basis that. India is going to be, if you want to understand India, you have to go beyond, the top cities as well. And the fourth one is basically the industry 4.0 that's happening globally. Okay, which is where we talk about the cyber physical systems and the Internet of Things, where everything is going to be connected. Machines are going to get connected, human beings are going to get connected. So in a connected world, how do you really think ecosystem and not really about your own silo way and try and maneuver your way through is going to be extremely important. And I think a couple of things, you talked about speed. One of the things is, something which I keep challenging my team every day is, do not waste too much time in terms of trying to manage ambiguity. Instead, spend more time in terms of actually questioning certainty. Because water heaters, geysers basically means a cylindrical drum sits in your bathroom. I said, going forward, I don't think that's going to be the shape of the water heater at all. It'll probably get subsumed in many other things inside the bathroom because everybody wants, the bathroom is now becoming the in thing. Okay, after the living room, that's now becoming the in thing. I don't know what kind of disco lights are coming in, what kind of music systems are coming into the bathroom. So, things are going to change as we move forward. So the shape and size of what you consume is going to be very different today versus what it's going to be tomorrow. And therefore, it's very important for all the Goliaths to really wake up. It's a wake-up signal and really start to face this danger and live this danger and be paranoid about it every day.